Hello students, now we are going to start our 16th question of 13.3, that is, a circular pond is surrounded by 2-meter wide circular path. If the outer circumference of the circular path is 44 meter, find the inner circumference of the circular path and area of the path. Okay, so this is the pond and this is the path. So outer circumference of this pond is 44, right? So the circumference equals to 2 pi r, that is equals to 44 equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into r. So by using this circumference we can find the radius. So here this will be 7 will be the radius of this pond. Fine. So the diameter will be 14 meter and then this so the diameter will be 14 meter, and in 14 meter if we subtract this 2 meter wide path from right and this 2 meter wide path from left, we get the diameter of pond, and that is 10 meter. So for the radius, that is 10 by 2 equals to 5 meter. Now the circumference of pond will be 2 pi r, that is two into 22 by 7 into 5, that is equals to 220 by 7 meter. This is the circumference of inner circular path. Now the area of pond with path pi r square, that is 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. 7 is the radius of pond with path. So here we get the area 154 meter square. And in next, area of pond will be pi r square, and here we get the radius of pond is 5. So 22 by 7 into 5 into 5, that is equals to 550 upon 7 meter square. So here 154 minus 550 upon 7, we get 528 upon 7 meter square, that is the area of path of the circular park. Now 17th question. In the adjoining figure, the area enclosed between the concentric circle is 770 centimeter square. If the radius of the outer circle is 21 centimeter, calculate the radius of inner circle. So here student, let the radius of outer circle is capital R, that is 21, and the radius of this inner circle up to here will be small r. So the area of this outer circle minus area of this inner circle will be equals to the area of this in between circle. So here area of concentric circle will be equals to area of outer circle, that is pi. Capital R is the radius of outer circle, so capital R square minus pi small r square. Here we get pi common, that is 21 square minus r square. So pi is 22 by 7. If we will move it in left side, we get 770 into 7 as a multiplied and 22 as a division. So here we get, after cancel outing, 245, that is equals to 441 minus r square, and here r square will be equals to 441 minus 245, that is equals to 196, and the radius will be equals to under root 196, that is equals to 14 centimeter. So the radius of inner circle will be equals to 14 centimeter, and we have to find the only radius. Now 18th question. A circular pond has a 1 meter wide footpath along the edge. A man walks around the outer edge of the footpath with 1.1 meter long steps. In 240 steps, he make a full round. What is the radius of the pond? So Student, man walks 240 steps with 1.1